Hello, today we are going to learn about 8 basic tricks that can improve efficiency for teachers and instructors in a teaching and learning environment. And welcome, my name is to start with, we're going to learn how to insert dummy text that you can use for your class for practice. And you use a formula. When the word application window is open, you type is equals to rand, then you open the bracket, then you specify the number of paragraphs you want, maybe 4 paragraphs, and you want each with 7 lines of text. Then you close the bracket and press enter. The computer creates that for you. It's a shortcut. Instead of allowing students to maybe want to demonstrate something before they type, it may take time. You can give them this as an alternative for them to use to learn how to do the formattings as they improve their speed in typing. The second thing, and the second trick, is how to select. Clicking and dragging is not very easy for the new beginners, and the shortcut is, the trick is you double click a word to select it, and triple click a paragraph to select the entire paragraph, and click at the margin to select an entire line. So double click to select a word, click on the margin to select a line, and triple click to select the entire paragraph. So that is the shortcut. When it comes to drawing, there is a shortcut that I want to demonstrate. If you want to draw a shape, say we want to draw a God circle, when you click and drag, the computer draws an oval. So the aspect ratio is not there, but when you press the shift key down, it converts that oval into a circle. So when you want to draw well-rounded circles, then you hold the shift key down when you're dragging to draw, and then release the button. Then you can resize as desired, and still you can resize holding the shift key so that it retains its circle shape. If you want to copy, that is trick number 4. If you want to copy on a straight line, there is a shortcut you can use. You can hold shift and control, then it copies that on a straight line. We'll do that again. I will first insert a new shape. Let me remove this. Then you go to insert, then shapes. I choose a rectangle. I want to draw a square, so like that. Then I hold control shift, then I'm able to copy it on a straight line. So like that, I hold shift, then it copies. I can't move up and down. If I move up, it can only go on top of it. So I have to only go on a straight line when I hold control and shift as I drag. So that is a shortcut for copying. Another trick when you want students to be occupied and learn how to format is if you want to select a section of the text and to highlight it in a color that you prefer, you can hold the Alt key down and select. Hold the Alt key down, and then you select to draw a section. So that section is selected, and you can change the font to be red. You can hold the Alt key down again and select another section, and you can put it into maybe green. So that is a shortcut. Possibly this is for teaching students how to select for their practice with the dummy text. You can tell them to select text and format it in the color of their national flag. Then that can work, and it's very possible. So that is how you do it, Alt and select. Now if a student types and everything appears in small letters, or everything appears in capital letters, there is a shortcut that you can use to make that text. If it was all in caps like this, there is a shortcut you can use, and the trick is in Word to make that text appear as small letters, or what you call the title or sentence keys. Now how do you do it? You hold the shift key down. Once you select the text, hold the shift key down and press F3. it toggles between. This is lowercase, all the characters are in lowercase. Hold shift and F3 again, it goes to title case. You can see the beginning of each line has a capital letter. You press shift and F3 again, it all goes into capital letters. So that is a shortcut and it's a trick in Word. And if your colleague requests that you set for them an examination which has some formulas that you are not familiar with, you can be able to insert formulas in Word. How do you do it? You go to the insert menu, then you choose the equation here, you click the down arrow, then it gives you all the types of equations, then you choose the one that they want, and then once it is added in the Word document, on the menu bar, one of the ribbons added is designed for equation tools, and you can be able to edit the equation to be in a manner that is appropriate. So that's how you insert formulas or equations in a word processing document. Finally, the last trick for this lesson is using the thesaurus. You want the student to know maybe what a graphic is. You select the word, I'm double clicking it, then you hold shift key and F7, and there is this window that appears, or a dialog that appears, and it's called the thesaurus, and it gives you that graphics is a visual, it's an illustration, it's a picture, it's a photograph, it's a chart, and all that. So anything that is not clear with the students, you can tell them to use the thesaurus, or like the word embed. That may be not common with everybody, so you select the word, hold shift and F7, then it gives an explanation of what embedding is, like to attach, to entrench, to insert, to surround, to set in, and all that. So finally, those are the 8 tricks that I wanted to share with us that would make our work easier, and I hope that you have learned something new, and we invite you to click the like button and share this video and subscribe to our channel for more tricks and tips in computing environment. Thank you so much.